Hello South Africa. Today is Thursday, June 23, 2022, and here is news in a minute. Mbalula inspects pothole-riddled road connecting 4 provinces. Transport Minister Fikile Mbalula descended on the Noth West province, or at least the pothole-riddled N12 national road, to inspect the work to restore it. Locals have dubbed the route stretching from Wolmaransstad, Klerksdorp and Potchefstroom as the death trap. Before the visit on Thursday, Mbalula had inspected the road in March during a presidential imbizo in Mahikeng. Led by President Cyril Ramaphosa, the imbizo saw communities engaging the government on important service delivery issues in the province. Road users lamented the condition of the road, which links several provinces, Northern Cape, Noth West, Gauteng and Western Cape. But Mbalula attempted to ease nerves by saying his department had pledged R45 million to maintain the major road. More than 2 months after that visit, Mbalula expressed that he was happy with the progress made by SANRAL, the National Roads Agency. Previously, the provincial government undertook the project before the Transport Department shifted the responsibility to SANRAL. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.